Introducing the 2026 Volvo Ex30 MY26 SINM TREX Plus in sleek grey. This electric automatic estate/Jeep is loaded with comfort, safety, and technology features to enhance your driving experience. With ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and more, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride. Plus, enjoy the convenience of wireless charging, automatic hazard lights, and smart card entry. Rest assured, knowing this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us now or visit our website, spiritmotorgroup.ie, for more information. Drive in style and confidence with the Volvo X30 MY26.